Welcome to the quick demo on NetScore Amazon Connector. The NetScore Amazon Connector is a built-for NetSuite native app that connects the Amazon Seller Central to NetSuite in simple steps. Using NetScore Amazon Connector, sellers can focus on increasing sales and managing orders without needing to manually sync between Amazon and NetSuite accounts. Key features of NetScore Amazon Connector: synchronize item listings and inventory levels, imports orders and customers from Amazon to NetSuite, exports fulfillment and shipping information. Now let's jump straight in to see a quick demo of it. NetScore Amazon Connector installs in a few simple steps. First, install the Amazon Connector shared bundle. Enter the seller details and configure the default values in it. When completed, the connector processes will start running in NetSuite to export the items, inventory, import MFN and AFN order, and export the shipment details. Once the installation process is completed in NetSuite, an Amazon tab will be created. In Amazon tab, users can see the Amazon setup configuration for multiple Amazon marketplaces. Now let's look at how to configure using Amazon USA Marketplace. Upon clicking the Amazon USA tab, it will navigate to the Amazon settings page, where the user needs to fill the primary information: Amazon Seller Central credentials, item, inventory, and order configuration details along with multiple shipping mappings. Now let's look at how to export the new item from NetSuite to Amazon. User need to fill the required fields to create the product listing on Amazon. Let's search for the product on Amazon using UPC code before listing it from NetSuite. The product is not listed on Amazon. To list the products on Amazon, the user needs to enable the item by using a checkbox field, Send Item to Amazon, so that the connector will push the item from NetSuite to Amazon for listing the product. Let's search the product on Amazon with UPC code. The product got listed on Amazon with item attributes, inventory, and price details. Now let's look at how to create and import a new order from Amazon to NetSuite. The order will be created by the Amazon customer with the following details. NetScore Amazon Connector initiates the order process and imports MFN and FBA orders using the order configuration. Let's search for the order in global search. The order got imported into NetSuite with customer and purchased item details. Let's create a fulfillment record in NetSuite with the order tracking details, so that the tracking information will be updated to Amazon. NetScore Amazon Connector will automatically synchronize fulfillment status and shipping data, including carrier and tracking number, from NetSuite to Amazon. Now that we are through with the process, let us see how you can leverage information that can help you make informed business decisions. NetScore Amazon Connector provides a unique dashboard with different reports to notify the user on information such as Today imported FBA orders, Today imported MFN orders, Top 10 selling items on Amazon, Low inventory report, order reports based on time periods, and top 20 purchasing customers. The connector also provides an efficient process to handle errors by creating error records in NetSuite to reprocess them. This was all about NetScore Amazon Connector for NetSuite.